Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G53, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts application. From there, you want to select, Fix and Manage, import from SIM, and this should display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now if it's not showing any of them, just give it a moment. As you can see, it takes sometimes a couple of seconds to show it up, but from there you should see all your contacts. Now normally I believe if you're importing the contacts, you will have an option to import it either to your device or to your Google account. But for me, it automatically imports them to my phone because I have no Google account signed in, as you can obviously see. So once you import them, they will be visible in your contacts list. Now, if you chose to import them to your Google account, you might need to switch it to show contacts from Google account by pressing on this icon right here and then selecting your account from the list. And it should then display all the contacts that are on that account. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.